So we had an awesome day yesterday. We're hoping for the same thing again today. The only problem is the wind is a straight northeast coming right here, and our blind is right here. So they're going to be coming a little bit from our backs, from our right shoulder, which will be fine. It's not the best thing. Yesterday they were coming right in from straight ahead because we had a south wind. So we're going to make a little bit of a wall to our left of our blind and give them a spot to land right in front of us. Well, hopefully it works.
Yep, right to the right.
Come!
Shoot it on the other. Let's go. Here it goes.
I didn't want to. Good thing I waited. I was going to shoot.
Yeah, I was waiting. I thought they were going to land on us.
Just had 2 hen mallards come right in about 10 minutes after shooting time. Right on top of us, locked up, and we took both of them. So we're seeing a lot flying around, and we got 2 so far.
This one just came right across the decoys. Just rolled it. I don't even know how I hit it. I just pulled up and pulled the trigger.
You must have led it by a long ways.
That was so cool.
Well, it's just shy of 9 o'clock. It has been raining for about an hour and a half now. We had about 45 minutes of no rain this morning, and Denver's out paddling around just trying to stay warm, and Brandon and I are in the blind with frozen hands. We got some ducks working around a little bit, but not much. This rain really stopped the ducks from flying.
4 to the left.
4 to the left. Got it. Oh, 2 right there, Brandon. Brandon coming right at us.
Take one on the left. A little bit high. Once you get out.
Did you see what I was shooting at?
Yeah, we shot at them too.
They were right here.
You missed it.
I know, because I was like this. And,
I told you to be careful shooting at that thing.
right there. Oh, here it comes. Ready?
Well, about 15 minutes ago, we had a teal come in and landed right in the decoys, and then we were able to have to yell at it to get it up, and flew over and we shot it, landed over there.
Well, we just had a teal come in right into the decoys, and we got it. Hit it in a couple shots, and it landed in the weeds way behind us. So I went over there with Moose. Hey, come here. Drop. Drop. There it was. Little greenie laying dead over there. We were over there for about 10 minutes. He finally picked up the scent, came out with it. Got a nice little duck dog on our hands. Just an unbelievable retrieve by Moose. This thing was so far out there. Hey, come on, bud. Come on, kennel up. And we dropped it way across there in those far weeds.
Yeah, it's a beautiful greenhead.
Nice, beautiful green. Hey, Moose, kennel up. Come on, kennel up. First greenhead of the year. We've had, I think we got 4 hens this morning, but Moose was all the way over there for like 10 minutes. Okay, drop. There she is. Beautiful retrieve.
Oh, we just got home and start cleaning up the ducks. I got all the stuff out of my truck. Everything's soaking wet, muddy mess, and it was a pretty miserable hour and a half with that rain and wind, but it ended up being another awesome day. This is probably going to be one of our best weekends of the year because we had all those mallards just cupped in, flying in, landing like perfectly in the decoys, and a lot of big matured ducks. So it was a great weekend and can't wait for next weekend. Thanks for following along, guys.